Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Today, Vinod has got some breaking news for us.
Well,
About 10 days back, we discussed Chat BT,
yes,
and we also in that discuss the return of Larry Page and Sergey Brin
correct.
to Alphabet and how Sundar Pichai has called them back to check out what's happening. And everybody was saying Google is going to be swamped and Google is finished and Google is history. How Chat BT is going to change everything.
Correct.
But those who learn to forget lessons of history are condemned to repeat them. If Microsoft is smart in acquiring companies, and he like Bill Gates got acquired DOS, acquired Windows, acquired everything to become what it is. The Google twins are past masters at it. They bought Maps,
YouTube.
they bought YouTube, they bought everything, and they have made it into a art form, and they never stepped on anybody's toes. And like Facebook, they're brash, aggressive. They just continued to be laid back. They bought a professional from outside. They stayed away from the news.
Yes.
And all this was threatened when everybody
And they
was
kept
saying
all their eccentric stuff private.
private. And now it looked like they are going to lose everything. And the world said, Bus, you are
Yes.
gone.
Yes, because their revenue of ads were also dropping.
Everybody's revenues dropped, and they said Google's is dropping. And then with Chat BT, Bing is going to come back at them. Well, we told you then, and we were right. Financial Times has an article today. The Emperor Strikes Back. Google has made its first big move. Obviously, there are many moves in the private game, but out in the open, there is a big move. Google has put where its money is, where its mouth is. They have gone and invested in a company called Anthropic, $300 million, and more than $300 million. They have given him unlimited tech support. So nobody gives free unlimited tech support unless there is something
There's
else.
proof of pudding there.
The proof of the pudding is the amount of tech support Google is giving.
Yes.
Google has just said
Proof
they
of
are
concept is there.
$300 million is the money they are investing. They have not told us how much they are giving tech, how much tech support they are giving. They have just worded it as tech support. And if you dig deep, OpenAI was the company that started the Chat BT, and what Google has done is identified a guy who was one of the founding members of OpenAI and who felt very miffed at the way
Yeah.
Microsoft
So
came in, and he
yeah.
didn't want Microsoft to invest money, and he decided to break up and start his own company because he also knew the tech that was there in ChatBT.
The story. Let me give the
I wait,
context.
let me, and that is ChatBT part two, definitely, because he already has to. He knows the wheel. There's no need to reinvent the wheel, and he's formed Anthropy, and Google has put its money behind it, where its mouth is. What is Anthropy? You know what is the story behind it?
Well, this company was formed in 2021.
Just now.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Is by one of the guys who was originally in part of OpenAI. His name is Dario Amodei.
Dario Amodei,
Amodei. Yeah.
Italian
Yeah.
American.
So he had a disagreement with the company. The main reason for the disagreement was when Microsoft started investing in OpenAI,
Hmm.
it would set a path for it to become too commercial and retract from its original focus on the safety of advanced AI. His main concern was that this kind of technology,
Hmm.
without it being checked
Hmm.
and being safety things being in place, having this kind of advanced AI open to the public is not a safe thing to do. So he broke off from OpenAI and he created Anthropic. Anthropic, the name itself means concern of human existence.
Okay, so he
So,
is concerned. He claims to be concerned for human existence.
and AI, basically the effect of AI on our society today.
Hmm.
So his chatbot is called Claude.
Claude.
Yes, and it's a rival to ChatBT. Only thing is, it's not been released to public yet.
Hmm.
So Google, that means Google, they have seen it. They've seen proof of concept of this Claude behind closed doors. I must be either good as ChatBT or rivaling ChatBT even better. So they've thrown money behind it. And this guy's original investor was this Almeida Research, who we know as Sam Bankman Fried. That guy had put $500 million.
He put
Now,
money in that also.
yes,
Chat BT
yes.
also.
So when he went kaput, and this guy needed someone to help him out and bail him out. Google stepped
Google
up,
turned up and
turned
said,
up on the
yes, we
door,
are
and
here.
yes, we're here to help you guys. So this is interesting times. If anything, as a consumer, as a consumer of both Microsoft and Google and the internet, these are all good times. But of course, where this safety AI is questionable. I do not know. And of course, now more tools have been developed, because what has happened is a lot of kids in colleges have been using Chat GPT.
You can do a PhD dialogue
Yeah,
in no
so now
time.
they've got students have been using this. Now professors have been given software tools which scans a paper and tells the professor if this has been written by a human or it's artificial intelligence. So there's lots of back and forth going on in this whole AI thing. Like last year was the year of cryptocurrency. This year seems to be the year of
AI.
AI. Everyone seems to be
But
AI.
no, but one thing is sure. AI is not
No,
cryptocurrency.
it's not.
AI is real.
AI is very real. It's not you betting on some fantasy. It's not
This
like,
is not fantasy.
no, it's not fantasy.
This can destroy jobs.
This can destroy jobs. It can also create jobs. There's two ways to look at it. Also, the potential of any
But the
new
problem,
technology.
like the American economy, is jobs that are being destroyed are the technology jobs,
Yes.
and the
So
jobs that are created are
as a society, we need to focus on these jobs which are being destroyed.
mm,
How do we repurpose these workers? How do we reskill them and give them opportunities to be employed again? There is a huge disruption which comes whenever we have this kind of technology happening in the market. During our industrial revolutions, when cars came, removed carriages and horses off the road, it happens each time. When the calculators came, when computers came, they kept on saying it's destroying, but new jobs come, new avenues of
so new
growth.
avenues will come.
From this, yes, we will get new opportunities of growth, but what they are, how they are, we cannot say.
The world as such will change.
It is going to change dramatically in a matter of, and I'll tell you this. When they
I'll,
showed an interesting article which I read, where they said Instagram took 6 months to get to 1 million users. Then TikTok took some 1 month to get to 1 million. ChatBT got into 1 million users, active users, within days. So that is the adoption, how fast people are adopting.
more than that, what I'm saying is AI means the end of a normal doctor,
Correct.
because a
I wouldn't
normal,
say it's the end of a normal doctor. It enhances your doctor. Meaning, if you're a good doctor, it enhances your skill. If you're a moron of a doctor, you're in deep trouble.
like my good GP who has retired now, general practitioner, he was writing crocin and some tablets and giving you hugs and writing you basic antibiotics.
Correct.
Okay. What I'm saying is, if you are a smart cookie and a smart user, which most of people are, you can use this AI tool which is coming now. ChatBT is there. You can feed it. It will tell you what's wrong with you and tell you what are the.
But let me argue this with you. Just a few weeks back, me and you had talked about the enormous crumbling pressure on the health services in developed countries like UK and US, and how we're talking about exporting. This can help in that, because for 80% to 60% of visits to a doctor
Can be avoided.
can be avoided with a smart AI technology. So you feed in your basic
Problem.
problems and it can tell you, okay, don't worry about it. You
The
don't need to
problem,
see a
no,
doctor.
that will work in India because medicals are so easy. But in America,
It has to change.
you were in London. You
Yes.
knew what to eat.
Yes. But the first issue is you can't even meet a doctor to get your prescription.
Yeah,
Right?
but now what I'm saying is, in India, this will work. I can put my AI prescription and buy it from my neighborhood
Correct.
pharmacy guy.
Yes. In India, what will happen is one step even better. Tata's got 1 mg now, right?
Yeah.
They'll plug this into 1 mg. You will feed in your diagnosis. 1 mg will send you the medicine. Forget you going to the.
And a prescription will be given by a doctor there.
Correct. So it is dramatically going to change. I think it's for the best. People who can upskill
But I
themselves.
understand this after this, what you say. The quality of life will improve because I don't have to go for a doctor. I don't have to pay him 150
Anand, this
rupees.
is not only.
No, I'm just giving an example for the
Yes.
common man to understand.
Yes. So let's say you have a car problem. Most of us are not mechanics. We rely on some mechanic to tell us what's wrong with the car. So now you just plug it in. Your car, you have some AI technology in your car. You plug it into your car. Not only the sensors are there to tell what's happening in the car, it will diagnose immediately and tell you what the situation is.
No. But this doctor example is most of the 80% why we go to doctors brilliant.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, good. And the Google is back. So this race hots up.
Yes.
Thank you for watching
Don't
this.
bet against.
Don't bet against Google.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching this program. I hope you got this breaking news from us. And this was superficial, so people who are really into technology don't jump on the technology. We were just telling you that the Google is not out of the race. Anyway, thank you for watching. Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.